Всем привет! У нас на ремонте смартфон Samsung i9152. Меняем тачскрин. Тачскрин разбитый в хлам. Он даже не работает. В принципе, тут ничего сложного нету. Есть пару нюансов. То, что новый тачскрин вы не проверите без снятия основной платы, потом ее обратно надо будет ставить. Ну и так, в принципе, все.
On the lookout for the snakes, cause they coming for my life. Try to play around, we don't take that shit outside. Pull up where he at, hop out then we fucking slide. Pray to God he play it cool, I ain't feel a homicide. I ain't trying to take a life, I've seen too many people die. Suicide on the minds of my friends all of the time. Because we've been on the grind, stepping over battle lines. Facing cases, paying fines, looking for the fucking light. Tunnel getting longer every day, I'm in it for the fight. Everlasting through the night, tell my mama I'm okay. Tell my grandma I'm alright. Tell my mama I'm okay. Tell my grandma I'm alright. I put that shit on the line, baby. Bottom line, baby.
Здесь я подогреваю тачскрин феном, чтобы его сбить немножко. А далее все размачиваем клей с помощью изопропилового спирта, чтобы не перегревать дисплей лишний раз.
Now she on the phone, do this money dance. Hit her like a week ago, 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 yeah, like a week ago, like a week ago, like a week ago, like a week ago. Still ain't nothing here new, same shit, same both, same stupid kid, screws loose, screaming you can blow me, say she with the crew, you gon' have to show me, homies always down to go to war, homies go Shinobi in the Mayflow, murder what she wrote me, got a death note, no games, Tamagotchi heard the devil on my soul, but he still ain't never caught me, third eye open, never close, I know demons steady, watch until the coffin falling close, I won't give it to him easy, I came from the thorns on rose, silver spoon ain't never beat me, I want everything that grows, tell me does that make me greedy or motivated to blow, sorry pardon me, if I work too much I know, I put that shit on the line baby, bottom line baby, no it drive me crazy, feeling like LeBron, I need another ring, fuck that shit it's on, do the Sonic dash, end up in my zone, I know they told y'all once, leave that boy alone, give that chick a bone, she ain't coming home, now she on the phone, do this money dance, hit her like a week ago. Like a week ago, 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 like a week ago.
We the old school. Yeah, old school. We the old school. Yeah, old school. Been getting that money for a girl sweet as honey. Got me some roses and a little bling. I knocked on her door, she said, what you waiting for? I heard you was looking for a king. Been climbing the pyramid, her steps made of green. I'm getting closer to my little queen. I'm getting closer, getting closer. I'm getting closer. To my little queen. Some homegirls caught me the other day around acting in a certain kind of way. I was looking for a card in a pretty good game.
Никаких защитных пленок не снимаем. В случае, если он не будет работать, мы его сможем вернуть по гарантии.
Making moves on the hustle. Didn't want to miss my little queen's birthday. They say I'm acting like a fool. Just trying to play it cool. But like a game of old school. They like it better old school. This is how we old school. Just trying to play it cool. But she likes it better old school. I heard you was looking for a king, been climbing the pyramid, your steps made of green. The future might be unforeseen, but when I get there, we'll reconvene. For you and me, there's no in between. Got me some roses and a little bling, climbing the pyramid with a diamond ring. They say I'm pimping, but I'm getting closer to my little queen. Pulled up in my coupe de ville, got the radio on, said we gonna chill. First we'll hit the bar and grill, then get out of Jacksonville. Book the next flight to Seville, walk the beaches near Motril. Don't worry, baby girl, you know the king gonna flip the bill. I'm getting closer. Getting closer. I'm getting closer. Getting closer. They say I'm acting like a fool. Just trying to play it cool. But like a game of pool, she likes it better old school.
Протираем все старого клея, грязи, обезжириваем спиртом и клеим новый тачскрин. Не забываем про кнопку.
She still fall in love with me, even on my worst day when I'm struggling. She still wanna fuck with me, yeah. And you know I ain't a thug with it, but your girl, she still fall in love with me, yeah. And that just be the damn way. I pull these women like y'all don't pull a hamstring. On the real though, you on some bullshit, but I keep it mad chill like some Cool Whip. Y'all be at the stupid, cause you can't keep it 100 like we do. And
Еще раз проверяем и собираем аппарат.
And the truth is, I don't fuck with the whack shit, not not even slightly. My girl caught up in what she thought that we might be, and I told her that I am not the one. The road I walk upon, indeed, be a lonely one, and you ain't gonna change how these cards been dealt. Just like you cannot change the way your heart fucking feels, yeah. And you know I ain't a thug with it, but your girl, she done still fall in love with me. Even on my worst day when I'm struggling, she done still wanna fuck with me, yeah. And you know I ain't a thug with it, but your girl, she done still fall in love with me, yeah. And that just be the damn way I pull these women like y'all don't pull a hamstring. All that fake shit, it be nonsense. This real shit, man, I promise. Since nuclear war might be upon us, so figuring out the perfect time to go and be honest. Cause I've been unsure what life meant for, working long hours for a dream that I kept for years low key, but now I'm hell bent on making a reality. Like why else was it dreamt for? And I've been with a girl that I see no future with, cause I've been too scared to go and do this shit on my own. But I am grown, but that don't mean I'm grown. Sometimes I confuse the shit, sometimes I can be the worst type of dude, looking in the mirror like goddamn, who was you? So I play the game, not the one with the shoes, the one who sat in the mirror just to change his fucking view. Yeah, and you know I ain't a thug with it. Tell the truth, I don't know what love is. In the worst way I be struggling, cause I don't know what love is. Yeah, and you know I ain't a thug with it. Tell the truth, I don't know what love is. And that just be a damn shame, cause without him in the world fucking can't change. Float on, drift away. It's too bad that you couldn't stay. It's too bad that we became all the harder things that we wanna change. Float on, drift away. It's too bad that you couldn't stay. It's too bad that we became all the harder things that we wanna change. You were more than what I dreamed you. You were the fading light that I cling to. And I won't lie and say I need you, but I still wanna keep you. Cause my love tastes, it changes, sound like freedom. I slow walking along, curse eating, devoid of peace and barely breathing, ever sleeping, but never. Yo, what up?
Снимаем защитную пленку и фальш логотип, за которым скрывается надпись Samsung. Всем удачи в ремонте.